Maverick Solutions provides training as a service for enterprise software applications. We have a client base that's literally all over the world. Some of the challenges that HR folks have to face, all of these things are these large convoluted processes, heavily ridden with paperwork. And the way you build a culture where people actually genuinely care for one another is elevating yourself out of the tactical work.
The ADP Comprehensive Services platform allows us to be more strategic in our conversations versus talking about the tactical pieces that we were doing manually prior to using the service. We implemented Comprehensive Services right at the beginning of 2020, and then Corey joined us in March of 2020. Now that we have Comprehensive Services and run our benefits administration through the platform, it has saved frustration for both employees and for Maverick's backend staff.
We use the LMS that's embedded within ADP that allows us to take our team through GDPR, PII, data security training, and it certifies them. Onboarding has really helped us with that because now we don't have to do the on-site onboarding all the time with everyone, which has been helpful for us to be able to make that transition from a local workforce to a national workforce.
Having an HR platform that is scalable and has all of the functionality that we need from a full-fledged HR department allows me to spend more time focusing on growing and scaling Maverick's operations and getting us to where we want to be in the future.
We'll be able to tackle all of these things with confidence, knowing that we're going to get sound counseling and guidance from our ADP support. We meet quarterly so that we can look at what ADP has rolling out so that we can achieve our strategic objectives. What we pay annually for ADP is about half the cost of one full-time equivalent of what we'd have to hire for. So the subscription by itself has already saved us more than 50% on headcount. The assurances that ADP Comprehensive Services brings to Maverick is worth its weight in gold.